Hi there, crafters. How are you all doing? So, today we're going to be looking at these multifunction numbered markup. That's what it's called, made in China. Bon voyage is the um, make. All right, but these are our stickers, our lettering that we use when we're making hand fan. So, sometimes, in fact, last time I've actually been asked that someone gave me the spelling, word she wanted to spell, and was asking that can one pack do it? So I decided that doing a video on the pack would be good. So really, this video is essential before you start making your hand fan that has wordings on it, or anything that you need to do, that you need to buy this sticker, so that you will know whether one pack has all the letters that you need to use for the particular craft. Now, I'm sure, okay, some of you may have seen the previous video that I did on lettering. Now, this one, I took it to the printer to print it out. But that was when the letterings wasn't out. But now with this lettering, it's actually cheaper. So if you have watched that one, please do not go for printout again, because this will be cheaper, because you can use this more than once. And this actually got for 2,200. But the lettering then, I think I did the 3,000, and just that's just for one. What meanwhile this, you could possibly use it more than once, depending on the words you want to spell. So we're going to be going through the letters so that you would know how many letters, for how many of the letters you can find each here. How do I put it? Okay, so let's start. So for letter A, take note, I would also be doing an inscription. For letter A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 A's is what you have. For B, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 B's. For C, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 C's. For D, you have 1, 2. 2D. For F, you have 1, 2. 2 F's. For G, you have 1, 2. 2 G's. For H, 1, 2, 3. 3 H. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. For I, now they actually separated it kind of. You have the vowels on this side with some other ones anyway. So for I's, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And really, I's are a lot and a lot of words. So for J, we go back to our consonant. You have 1, 2 J's. Then for K, you have just 1, 2. Okay, same 2. Then for L, you have 1, 2. For M, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 M's. For N, we go this way. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 N's. For O, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. And then OP. For P, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 P's. For Q, you have, I think Q is on this other side, you have just one. Then it will P, Q, R. For R, you have 1, 2, 2 R's. And then it will P, Q, R, S, Q, R, S. Then for S, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 S. For T, you have 1. Really? How could T be just 1? But it's just 1. For T, you have just 1. For U, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 U's. For V, you have 1, 2, 2 V. And then O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. For W, you have just 1. Probably you could even use the M and turn it upside down to make a W. You can do that. I think it will still go. W. For X, where is our X? Where's X? Where's X? You have just one. Okay, I should have been showing you. You have just one. WQRST UVWXY. For Y, just one. For Z, just one. So those are what we have here. I would probably, yeah, that's what we have. So they took charge of a lot, really, especially the vowels. You know, you'll be using a lot of A, E, I, O, U's. Then plus the S, lot of S. So I think they tried. So that's it. So if you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If there are more questions you would like answered, things like this that would help you so that when you're pricing, because this will both help when you're pricing, when you're costing your item to be able to give your clients how much you're going to sell it for. You will need to know whether you're buying 2 packs or 1 pack. So it's very essential that you watch this video before you start giving your prices, and so it will also aid you in purchasing too as well. So if you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And any extra question you want answered, do let me know in the comment section below this video. Thank you for joining me in this video. See you next time. Bye.